we're here at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. So let's go.
Oh wow, have a look at this. This is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, there's giant maracas behind you.
Oh, this is absolutely brilliant, isn't it? There's a red carpet there. And we're here for a lovely one-night stay at All-Star Resort.
Yeah.
Music, why not?
Exactly. Ready for Mickey's Not So Scary Party?
We had to do it, didn't we? Just to have the experience of stopping on site, even if it's just for the night. It's still going to be good though, isn't it?
It's going to be amazing.
So we're going to have a little look around the hotel, show you what's in the room. It's only going to be a brief one, guys. We're not here for very long, but is it worth to stay? We'll find out. Are you getting on the red carpet then now?
Yes, I am.
Come on then.
It's the only red carpet I'll have to be going on tomorrow.
do. Oh, that's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, so cool.
Right, so we're going to have a little explore inside then.
Yeah.
See if we can find our room.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
This is brilliant, isn't it? There, look at that. Oh, very fancy, isn't it?
It smells really nice in here as well.
It does smell really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I'm very impressed, are you?
Very impressed. There's lots of things to look at, isn't there?
It's very colourful, isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh, look at that. I've got a photo of there. Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's ace. So these are all the concierge desks and things. So we've actually checked in via the My Disney Experience app.
Yeah, we have, haven't we?
So we're literally just only got a few minutes to our room anyway, so we're just going to have a little look around and see what's going on. I'm guessing we might as well have a look at Maestro Mickey's, aren't we, while we're here? Definitely have a little look at this, our first glimpse at some of the merchances. Oh wow, look at this. Happy Halloween. $15.99, $20 there. $6.99 some pumpkin popcorns. Oh wow. Very good, isn't it? And that's the Spirit jersey, isn't it there?
Spirit jersey, so nice.
Isn't it there? Oh, see that lounge fire?
I know, that's nice. Open the little doors, look. Oh, Daisy. We've got Daisy. And we've got Mickey. And oh, the little cat.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
That's adorable.
I like this hat idea. It's got that pumpkin on.
I love this t-shirt.
Do you like that?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh.
Happy Halloween. I don't know what the price is though.
Not too sure. There's some prices on these ones, I think. Yeah, I've seen them all pretty similar stuff.
35. Walt Disney World.
Oh,
Oh, it's got Pluto on it.
that is a nice
so
one.
nice.
That is a very nice one. Even got Crocs there.
Oh yeah?
Even got a Stitch.
Lounge
It's just too much, isn't it?
That's nice.
Oh wow, this is absolutely amazing.
It is, isn't it?
And they've got a whole section for Mickey ears, mini ears. All different kinds of ones, aren't they?
Cool. Stitch.
Sticks, look. Pineapple ones there. Donut ones. Dragon ones. Halloween. Pumpkins. Absolutely loads, isn't there? And they got some toys and things, so you can get all your princesses and that. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Obviously the castle there.
Oh wow.
Yeah, an actual castle. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Is it?
Zurg. Arch enemy of Buzz Lightyear. We're on Buzzy's team, aren't we? We are.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a really nice little shop, isn't it, to be honest?
Yeah, it is.
Get a few little different kind of bits, can't you? Your cups.
There's so many things to look at.
There's just way too much to look
Yeah,
at, isn't
there
there, to
is.
be honest? Well, you can see, you can get some snacks and things down here, which is always pretty good, isn't it, to be honest? Kitchen bits, sweets, sour balls,
Disney jelly.
Disney jellies,
Cotton candy.
little frosties. That's good. Mega muffins, crisps. So at least you can get them if you want them, can't you? There. Your drinks and things if you do need them. It's not bad, is it? To be honest, we bought some of these earlier, didn't we, Mini
Yeah, you
Donuts?
did. I can't wait to eat them.
You can get some wines and things there if you do need them.
Oh, and all
your
those bits and pieces.
essentials, if you do forget any day, you can always pick it up, can't you?
Yeah.
So it's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah, really good.
You know the food course here, have you?
I wonder what they've got.
So today we've got some of these things.
It smells very nice.
I assume they'll do different things as well. It's massive, huh?
That Mickey brownie.
Mickey brownie,
The
Stitch cupcake, Mickey's cookie and cream, chicken strips, burgers, Oh wow.
That's really good, isn't it?
It's really good.
And then they've got like pizzas, burgers, bakery stuff, speciality like chicken stir fries.
So you can get whatever you want, can't you, really? Yeah, I assume you just pick it all up there and then pay one of these tills. It's really good, isn't it, to be fair though?
It smells delicious.
Lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Notable games.
Yeah.
Oh, why is this massive?
Massive.
It's like Blackpool.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we like this one, don't we?
We do.
We like that. Oh, Pac-Man. I bet you'd be good at that one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, it's that loud, isn't it? It's really good.
It is.
Proper arcade. It's really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Super something. Oh well, it's really good, isn't it? You can pass a little bit of time here if you needed to, like for kids and things.
Definitely.
There's all kinds of games to be playing, isn't there?
Yeah.
Oh, this is really good, isn't it?
Isn't
Yeah, I'm
it?
really quite impressed with it, to be honest. What's this marble thing? Oh, you can make sure it's with... Make sure it's your own comic.
Yeah.
Look at something there, that's really good, isn't it,
That's
actually?
really good, yeah.
Some bits of official charging things. Not too sure what that is, to be honest. Is that how you get your game cards and things to play?
I would assume so, yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
It's very good, yeah.
Oh wow, so there's plenty to look out and think here, isn't there, to be
there
honest?
is.
Absolutely brilliant. I suppose we best have a little look outside, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh wow, we're outside, Ev. That's a lovely pool, that is.
Yeah, it is. And it's got Donald Duck and friends right in the middle of it.
Oh wow, we won't go too close to that there, obviously
No,
people are swimming
yeah,
things,
exactly,
we're privacy
yeah.
and that. But we've got a nice lovely map here, Ev. Shall we look at the map, see what's going on, see what we can find. Oh, so I assume these are the different buildings.
Yeah.
I wonder which one will be in. We'll find out literally any minute now, it's going to pop up, so.
Yeah, it should do. And we are here right now.
So we are here right now.
So I wonder where we will end
I
up.
wonder if we'll be in the maracas or the saxophone or the
Hat.
the guitar, the boot.
That looks like
Woody's,
Woody's
isn't
boot,
it?
yeah.
Oh no, it's really good. So obviously have a good look at that, guys, if you want to check out the information for the map.
And there's a running trail if you want to go
Oh.
for a run around the resort.
That's
really good,
fantastic.
isn't it?
I mean, it's not something I want to be doing.
Not in this heat, definitely
I'm
not.
struggling to walk around,
Yeah,
let alone
definitely.
do a bit of running. But no, at least it's there though, isn't it? So
Yeah.
like, I know a lot of people do like their exercise and things, isn't
Yeah,
it?
they do.
And it's that little chess set in the background so you can have a go at that. That's really good, isn't it, to be
good.
honest there.
And then there's a bar.
There is a bar. It's pretty good actually. Singing spirits, and you get a few drinks there. That's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, look at some of the stuff there. Oh, at least they got something for everyone there, haven't they, to be honest?
They do.
Yeah, it's really nice. Oh wow, what have we got here?
Oh, we got a happily ever after. So we're celebrating 6 years being married.
6 years married.
Yeah.
And what have we got here?
We got our
Miss
first
Lizzie Podge. That was absolutely amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it really was.
Really good service. The service was fantastic there,
It
wasn't
really
it?
was fantastic.
So a massive shout out to Matt,
Yeah,
who sorted that out there.
absolutely brilliant. And then these are our room keys, but they're also our park tickets as well.
Yeah, he's linked them all up together, and literally as we're recording this, I've got a Disney World notification,
Oh, wow.
so we might have a room. We found our room. It's somewhere Country Fair.
Yeah,
That's the one, isn't it?
it is.
That's absolutely brilliant, isn't it? Right, let's go find. I can't believe this. This is magic, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're on a wander to our room, aren't we?
We are, and it's so good.
It's amazing. We've just been discussing, and like for children, this must be amazing.
Yeah.
And for big children like us, it's even better, isn't
It is. You can feel the magic already.
You can, can't you? You
Yeah.
can feel it in the air.
You can.
Oh, it's so pretty. All-star jazz band, jazz in. Forgot we were on the ones a bit further down, aren't we?
Yeah, Country Fair.
Country Fair. Oh, Country Fair Bears. That's us, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, we're bears, aren't we?
We are.
Oh, this is pretty, isn't it?
Very pretty.
A little water feature there.
And there's these little here as well.
Oh, there's a little small door as well. Oh, that's good, isn't it? There's stuff for everyone, isn't there, literally?
is.
It's really good, actually.
It's massive, isn't
It's
it?
huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so we go find this room then?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, another little pool area there as well.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, obviously we'll give them the privacy and swimming and things, obviously. But yeah, plenty of swimming areas so you can cool down. I mean, we did that at Universal the other day, didn't we?
Yeah, we got back from the park day, didn't we?
Just jumped in the pool just for 20 minutes just to take the edge off, cool down. It works, doesn't it?
So nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Really refreshing.
Very refreshing. Oh, we've got the stage door there, Rev.
Oh, cool. Didn't know we were back in Stoke.
No, yeah, it's one of them in Hanley, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, right then. This is like street signs.
Oh, yeah.
This is like really good.
Aladdin's over there.
Aladdin?
Nice poppins. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, wow. This is the piano pool, this one here. Oh, you can get a little view of it there, guys. There you go. Oh, wow. So I think we're back here, aren't we?
Yes.
In the
Yes, country fair.
country fair. Oh, wow. This is absolutely amazing.
It is.
Just the level of stuff around is crazy, isn't it?
So good, isn't it?
Honestly. You see that big... Oh, look at that.
Violin, yeah.
It's madness, isn't it?
Nice.
There's a big giant boot. Is it Woody's boot?
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Is there a snake in it?
Yeah. of
Looks
course.
like it, doesn't it? Right, well, we'll go find this room and, yeah, give you a
Show
good
you
look at
around.
it. We're getting to it now, don't we? We think we're on the right path.
Yeah.
Looks like we've got Animal Kingdom just behind us, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Tiger jumped through there tonight. I think just...
This
is it. I don't want to use our magic key.
There's a hidden Mickey.
Oh, I see. And a star as well.
Yeah.
Because we're in an all-star.
We are.
Oh, you ready for this?
Oh, wow.
See what it says, Ev. This is absolutely amazing, isn't it?
Oh, and it's so nice and cool in here.
lovely there,
Oh, that is
isn't it?
beautiful.
Right. Here you go, guys. This is the All-Star Music Resort. Just the basic room.
Yeah, the cheapest one you can get. Wow, look at this.
What's there? So I also heard about these. They're like things and you can speak. It's like an Alexa, I think.
Oh, cool.
And you can speak to it and it does things and helps you out.
Yes. Hey, Disney.
Hey Disney. I think we have to press start and do some bits.
Yeah,
We'll play
probably.
with that. We'll play with that later on. We got a coffee machine here, Ev. A dual coffee machine, should I say?
Nice, with creamers and Joffrey's coffee.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
give that a go, won't we?
Definitely. And then there's a
A
fridge.
nice, lovely fridge.
A nice drawer as well.
A nice drawer. Put your bits in. Oh, and a recycling bin and a trash bin. That's pretty cool,
That's
isn't
really
it?
good, yeah. And then plenty of storage. I mean, they're massive, aren't they?
Yeah, huge. Couple of plugs and USBs. It's always nice to see.
Yeah. There's a safe there.
Oh, wow, extra pillows and
Yeah.
things.
Oh,
Oh.
oopsie.
Too excited.
Yeah. There's plenty of plugs because there's on your side. as
Yeah, there's
well.
on that side as well. And that's your little rundown for how long you're staying in there, what they're going to do. So basically every other day they'll do everything.
Yeah,
That's
that's
fair
good.
enough as well, isn't
Yeah.
it? I've never seen that many pillows on a bed before.
Very normally.
Go on, Ev, good to go. Is that a good one?
Yeah.
Is it comfy?
Oh, that is comfy.
You can have a nice night there.
Definitely.
Oh, wow. And we've got Mickey Mouse just above us, Ev. Mickey, Minnie and Donald.
Oh, that's
All there
adorable.
for us.
Oh, and there's USBs and stuff.
Oh, either sides, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really good.
So that next to you converts into another bed.
Oh, wow.
So you
We
can pull
went-
that down.
And it converts into a bed.
Yeah.
That's really good. I mean, there's only two of us, so we don't need to do that. We'll just stick with the table. But that's some of the instructions, though, in case you do need to do that. And there you go, that's how you do it. Oh, I'm really impressed, have you?
Yeah, me too.
Absolutely really impressed. Oh, is this the bathroom?
Oh, yeah, it's massive.
It's really fancy, isn't it?
Light switch.
As usual, guys, we can never find the lights in these places. Takes us a while, doesn't it?
Yeah. There
There we go.
Perfect.
Oh, it's very bright, actually, isn't it?
Yeah, that's really good.
Oh,
And you've got
wardrobe. Compartments.
You have got hairdryer, ironing board, plenty of storage.
Ooh,
Ooh, some Disney Resort sea salt bath soap. Very
Very
nice.
nice for your razors and things as well,
Yeah.
there.
A big mirror so you can.
Hey guys,
Hi.
that's us.
And then
Oh wow, This is quite big, isn't it? It's
massive.
This big.
There is a bath and a shower.
Bath and a shower.
And then you've got shampoo, conditioner and body wash, which is really good.
Oh, very fancy. Plenty of towels.
Plenty of loo rolls.
Toilet to toilet.
Yeah.
It says what it says, isn't it? This is brilliant, isn't it?
I'm so impressed with this.
With it.
Especially because it's Disney's budget hotel. It's one of their cheapest hotels that you can stay in, but this is absolutely amazing.
I mean, we've had not Disney, but pricier hotels apparently, and they're not been as nice as this.
No, definitely not.
So yeah, we're really chuffed with this, aren't we? Actually.
Yeah. I still can't believe it says welcome.
I know, yeah. I can't believe that. That is absolutely amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like Paris, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Oh wow! We're here. The
We are.
All-Star Resort.
Woohoo!
Let the magic begin. Hey Disney. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
That's good, it's tell.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Why does Goofy eat Swiss cheese at Christmas time?
Why?
He loves decking the holes.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so we can tell work this little thing. It's pretty cool actually, but you can just turn it off there with that button, so you don't have to wrap it on if you don't want to. But no, I'm quite impressed with it.
That's so cool.
And you can set an alarms with this. We've just been having a little read through this.
It's got everything that you need in here. Add more magic to your stay. So hey Disney, what's the weather? Oh, you can say good morning.
Yeah, you can
Let's
ask
play
you,
trivia.
read a story,
Oh, let's go on an adventure.
play a soundscape.
Oh,
It's really good actually, isn't it, to be honest? Just an extra little feature there. A lot of people have smart hubs in their homes. We've got a Google thing, haven't
Yeah.
we? So no, I think it's a nice little feature there. I'm impressed with that,
yeah,
you?
that's really cool. That is. I like
That's
that.
really good, isn't it? You ready then, Ev?
Yeah, but Mickey's not so scary, funny.
Yeah, we're ready, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, you look ace. Got your outfit on there. Oh, we're all ready. I can't wait. It's going to be magical, isn't
Yeah.
it? But yeah, we're really enjoying the room so far, aren't we, to be
Oh,
honest?
it's absolutely lovely.
Yeah, absolutely amazing. We've only been in here for about an hour and we don't
Yeah.
want to leave. We don't want to stay here, don't we?
Yeah, forever.
I think we'll be back at some point.
Yeah.
Good morning, Hev.
Morning.
Aww, you all had a nice day.
I did indeed. Did you?
Yeah, it's been really nice. I really enjoyed it actually. That bed is comfy as anything.
Yeah, it's really, really comfortable.
My back is lovely.
Yeah.
It feels really nice at the
Same.
moment.
But
Yeah.
one thing that we didn't see yesterday, which I only found this morning, which is quite useful,
Full length mirror.
there is a full length mirror on the door.
Hey guys.
Hi, that's us. So yeah, that comes
Yeah,
in really
always
handy.
handy. And we're just trying out Joffrey's coffee at the moment actually that we've made in our coffee machine.
It tastes very hazelnut,
It
doesn't
tastes
it?
like hazelnuts or something. I mean, it's not like the more I'm drinking, the more it's growing on me actually.
Yeah.
But it's a peculiar one if you're from the UK.
Yeah.
Give it a go. See what you
Definitely.
think. And as I say, don't judge it on the first swig. Seems to be the more you drink, the nicer it
nicer it
gets.
gets.
It's a weird one.
Yeah,
But
it
we're
is.
getting there with it, aren't we? But have you enjoyed your stay, Ev?
Yeah, I really have. It's been absolutely lovely.
It's been brilliant, hasn't it? It's done its job, hasn't it?
It has indeed.
Well, we've had a really nice day actually, haven't we, in the All-Star Music Resort?
Yeah, we really have.
We've really enjoyed it. It's been really comfy.
Yeah.
And it served its purpose. We wanted to just trial to see if we enjoyed stopping on site at Disney, see what it was actually like. And you know what? It is really good.
Yeah, it is really good.
Yeah, the amenities, the buses and things, the transport, just makes life easy.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, really does. But if you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. See you soon. Whoop, whoop. Bye, room.
Bye, Disney room.
Bye.